What's up, YouTube? I know it's been a long time coming. Today I'm bringing you guys a hair tutorial. I know it's been a month since I posted, but trust me when I say I've been grinding, I've been on my grind. And thank you for the people using my code, JSmooth, the Anti-Broke Barbers Club. You guys don't go unnoticed. I pay attention to everything. Even though I'm working, I pay attention. But hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and keep a good mood and stay smooth. So let's get to it. Here's my client. This is the before. And let's get to the after. So we're gonna end up cutting about an inch off the top and just keeping his curls in still. But I'm gonna fast forward this part. Number 3 guard, debulk, so I can do a taper. I kind of like going with my bigger guard just because I want to make sure that everything blends in. So you kind of just like gotta scoop out a little clipper over comb. I'm gonna go in with my trimmer. So, and I'll kind of go like right here, so I can have the blend all here. So I kind of like arching it. Some people like doing it straight, some people don't. Mine kind of always have to. I like doing mine different, just so the fade can look different. It doesn't look like everybody else's. I'm gonna use the half. Like setting my guidelines with one and then fading with the other. And if I can't get the lines out, I go back to this clipper and detail. But I'm kind of the type of barber that details while I'm cutting. This is a 1 open, right above it as well. So you kind of see already, it's already blended in, and I close it a little bit. Even if you don't see a line there, just close it. And go. We'll be back to this with my other clipper. I go halfway. I hit that line to erase it with the corners. And if it doesn't, just close it all the way. If it doesn't come out, just close it. Hit it, but hit it with your corners. It's a lot easier. You won't set up another guideline. It's a lot easier to just remove the line. Open it if you need to detail a little bit. And you guys can see that line is erased. 2 open. Hit this line. Kind of go with my corners so I don't create a line, so I can kind of just blend them together. And then we're gonna come here with our 1 open, halfway, and should you take it all out. I'm just going in again with my other guards where I just feel like imperfections are at. And everything's blending nice and smooth. All this to blend in with the taper. I'm gonna go in with my bigger guard. We're going with the number 4. And as I did on the other side, you're just literally gonna scoop up. And I'll go with the clipper over comb to make sure everything else is just blended in. I create my first guideline and then fade it just into it. Same steps, half guard. One open. And here, since I already know what I did to the side, I'm gonna go over number 3 and then drop from there, since I already scooped up the number 4. And if you're struggling fading the whole hair, work in sections. So I'm just gonna stay right here for right now. And I'm just gonna blend it in so I can show you guys. I'm back with my 1.5 guard right there. We'll work on the other side now. 2 open. And I'm going in with my 1.5 guard to erase that whole line. Alright, so I blended it out together. Now we're gonna take it off with the blade open, but since I'm a two clipper type of guy, I'm gonna use my other clipper. I just feel like my ergos hit differently, and it kind of just picks at the skin since the blades are a little too close. So I go halfway, lift it up a little. I know we're creating a line, but that line we'll use with the lever open or the half guard. See, then we'll close it, make sure hit the bottom. And then lever open, just kind of scoop, and everything should blend in. And as you guys can see, that line right here, I'm gonna use my half bar, and then everything is blended all together and nicely. See? Look at that smooth blend. You guys can literally tell every detail in that haircut. Wow. Here is the after. That'll be it. So make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next. Remember, keep a good mood and stay smooth. Peace.